Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 2E and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on the quick panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, and here we have a couple options. We have Enable DND, Timed DND, Smart DND, and Disable DND. Enable DND will turn on Do Not Disturb mode, and it will stay on until you turn it off. Timed DND allows you to make a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode, so basically it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically at specific time. And the Smart DND option, if you select this one, it will turn on the Do Not Disturb mode when you go to sleep and the watch detects that you're sleeping, and if you wake up it will turn it off. And for that to work you will need to wear your watch during the sleep. Okay, so let's enable DND by tapping on enable, then we can go back by swiping right on the screen, and on the quick panel you will see that the icon changed the color, which indicates that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon and select disable DND, and then you can go back. The icon will go back to the white or gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And to enable the timed DND, select the timed DND option, then tap on this arrow next to it, and here we can set the start time, so the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on. Oh, my bad. Let's set it, so I'm gonna set it to something like 10:30. Then the end time to something like maybe 7:30. Like this. And now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 7:30 a.m. And if you go back to watch face, I believe the icon will look different. Basically you have this clock next to the moon icon, which indicates that the schedule is enabled for your Do Not Disturb mode. And to disable it, of course, you need to tap on the icon and tap on disable. And then you can go back. And to enable the Smart DND, tap on it. And if you go back to the quick panel, you will tell by the icon that the Smart DND is enabled because you have this Z next to the Do Not Disturb mode, basically indicator of sleep. And then to disable it, tap on disable DND. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.